Welcome back, guys, to our channel, Hanging with the Livingstons. You know, we're always grateful to have your views. Alright, so anyway, today, guys, will only be me in the video because my wife, she's not feeling too well. So I may have one of the children doing the video for me today. Again, I want to send a shout out in the comment section for my wife, you know, just wish her a speedy recovery because she's not feeling too well. But anyway, guys, today we're gonna make some peanut cake, as we call it in Jamaica. And when we say peanut cake, it's not like cake itself, it's just how they make the peanut cake. They make it with the peanut, you boil it with salt, water and sugar, and then when it forms in a nice round shape like a cake. So we're going to show you the procedure of we making the peanut cake. So we have it on the fire boiling now, guys, and you know, we are almost got to tell them, say, you know, like, subscribe, share, tell a friend, you know, as usual. So how we doing it now? We have it on the fire, water boil, we have the ginger, we have put some ginger in it as well. We have the ginger here, I'm going to grate it and put it in, make it boil with it. I'm just showing you first before we start that process. And then when that reaches, we start boiling a little bit more, we'll put some sugar in. And the sugar are going to be the binding process. The sugar will determine if it will come out good, yes or no. Right? You have to watch the texture. It's just like the almond, the coconut drops that I did, right? Well, again, if it takes on the right, then it's not going to work out properly. And we want to do some gizzards again to guys, because we already telling us that we're going to make some gizzards. So one of them days we want to make some gizzards and show the process with making the gizzards. So this, we have it right here, we'll boil. So we're going to do now, we're going to wash up with ginger. We're going to wash up with ginger and grate it. So I'm going to put my spoon, see it? So the color of the water are basically off of the peanut, right? So when people make peanut rice, I saw them do it, they put the peanut in there with the shell on and then get the color and then put them coconut juice in there and make peanut rice. If you never see peanut rice, put in the comment section. I don't want to see peanut rice, make some peanut rice, you know. Alright, so already we are watching ginger now and grate it. Yeah man, anything you want to say, just leave it in the comment section. Don't be afraid. You know, we're over here for do different stuff. And so many times what we are thinking about, maybe not each one think about, but there's a two head better than one, right? So just tell me what you think of it though. Definitely we can work on it. I'm now going to take off the outer skin off of it because it's stronger with the outer skin. So I'm just going to grate it. I do some big one and some smaller one because I like to taste the ginger in my peanut cake, coconut drops, almond drops, you know, whatever you want to have a next taste. You just want the sugar alone. So we're going to do the ginger, guys. And again, you know, as we always say, years of experience, and I know I do them things, from the year that means I will be a baby, a little bit bigger. Yes, people have a little joke sometimes. Well, years I do them things, man. As I tell you all the while, grow with grandparents and be a woman grow me. So we get to know all of them stuff. All of them stuff. And the other day I talked to one of my friend who is a subscriber as well. And I tell him, say, you know what, give me an idea, man, what we must do upon the thing. The man said, right now, told me see I do it, you know, no idea. He well skilled in it. I said, yeah man, years of experience. Years of experience, people don't know where to do them thing. But yeah, we would love on the input, you know. Definitely love on the input, so just leave it in the comment section to make we know what we think, how we are doing so far, and what we need to improve on. Alright? Because there's always room for improvement. Get it. Peanut a stir. And again, before we put the peanut on, we'll wash the peanut thoroughly. We'll put some salt in it. We go and work with the peanut. And just put in some of the ginger we have already. Put in some of the ginger we have already. You make a mess. Make sure you clean the mess immediately. Look on the people. So just wash it out now. Now up the cleaning material. Wash it on. Finish up with ginger. And get the ball rolling the right way. So when we reach to the ginger finish great and the peanut boil on some more hard with sugar and stuff, then we'll come back to you guys, alright? Alright, so yes guys, we put the ginger in, right? The ginger boil. We put the salt in it, enough salt in it. So all we do now, we put some sugar in it. And make it go on do its thing until when we're ready to drop it out. You have to put the sugar in it because the sugar will be we're going to have it combined to one unit, right? In a one, the sugar do all of that. The sugar is the binding ingredient, so you have to put sugar in it and just make it boil down. Then you have a bit of taste now. You have a bit of taste and see how far you reach. But again guys, you need the sugar in it because the sugar gonna be, we're gonna have it firm. The sugar will basically make it turn out a peanut cake, right? And the ginger will give it a nice flavor. And if you want, you can tip some vanilla in it if you want. But you need your salt, you need your ginger. And you know what? Optional as well, because and everybody like ginger. So if you don't like ginger, you just get your salt and your sugar taste, if that's what you prefer. But I like the ginger taste. So this will basically leave and go and sit and go and boil until it start form a sticky substance. And then we close drop it out, or we close drop it out. Then we use some fire paper to drop it on. So we have it over here prepared already. So when we reach closer to when it start form, guys, then we'll bring it back and show you the process, alright? Alright, so yes guys, so when you see this now, as usual, you know, so it'll come down to it almost finished, right? So you have to just keep moving it because you don't want it to stick up in one area, so you have to move it now because sometimes you drop it out. And we only use file paper because we're in Canada, and again, we don't really have banana trees here to get banana leaf, but usually we don't use banana leaf at home in Jamaica. We drop it out one. So that's why we use file paper as a substitution now. So you see when you move it, you just want to get some more steam. And when you find out you start locking on the spoon, and you know so it's almost time for you to drop it out. And by the time you drop it out and the sugar get cool, it start form. And the liquid form of the sugar get cool, you see it start form. You know, the peanut cake. And then you have your ginger flavor in it. Plus the sugary taste. And again, this is it kind of take a little time for the peanut ready and stuff, but you enjoy it after all 2-3 days after. It's still good. The more you have it still, or the nicer I get. So if we move it, guys, because as you can see, to get tight. Look around the edges. When I move around the edges, you see? Around the edges. So you know, say it's a get tight. And one other way you can use to figure this out, you get a cup or a jar with some water, and you take some of the sugary substance here, and you put it inside of the water. And if you put it inside of the water and it forms in the water, you know it's ready. But here's our experience. We just go off our own little judgment and just stir until we feel as if it is ready to be dropped. But if you're not that experienced as us, right, you just get a cup with some water or a glass and you drop it. And if you form in the water, then you know it's ready. That's it. So go down, guys. They go down quite nicely too. And this is your process of how you would make your peanut cake, or some people call it peanut drops. So it's basically just the same thing as the coconut, but some people call it peanut cake and some people call it peanut drops. So this will make. Alright, so yes guys, this is how you want it. See it? You can see it on the back of the spoon, it's hard form. So this is how you want it. You can feel it when you turn it, you can feel it basically a bind. So this is how you want it. And then you just will drop it out. So this will take, depends on how big you want it or how small you want it. And you shape it. So this is it. Thank you guys again for, taking some time out of your busy time to watch the video. And again, like, subscribe, share, tell a friend to tell a friend. But you're living somewhere, you're doing them thing. As usual, thank you very much for your support, guys. Alright, have a good one.